So we have markers for beats, but I also like to put in markers for just the phrases for key parts of the song. Um, that helps me kind of figure out um, where things change in the song. So I do have some arbitrary ones up here. These also just kind of tell you, the phrases of the song. You go a couple measures in, you're going to notice that things change. So those help to kind of get an idea where those are. So something like here, and then it changes. Obviously, I have like the grandmother there. It kind of is a slow part of the song, so it definitely works to as a kind of that transition, and then it kind of changes there. And not that much changed in that song in that spot, but it's good to know those things. And so it's good to just put those down. Now you might not change it for every part of a transition, but definitely the more dynamic the song, the more you want to make sure that those changes in the song are dynamic too. If you have a section that it's very slow and you're waiting for like a build, well, that's a part to have something that's also slow in the video, and then as it builds, as you get to that crescendo, then have this amazing shot. And if you have to, you can even enhance it by zooming out or doing an effect or whatever. So definitely try to put in extra beats to help you know where the parts of the song actually change. Obviously here there's a beat, there's a marker just so you know, or that I knew that that was kind of the end of the song. So that helped me out.